What I want to show you in this video is the transparent strategies that we use to get our clients results. What have I got here? The front page of Google. As you probably already know, 80% of all searches start on Google, and all searches that start on Google start with a keyword. As you can see here, I've got car wrap Sydney. That's one keyword. If I put in car wrap cost, car wraps near me, best car wrap Sydney, these are all keywords. Now, the best keywords to rank for are keywords that have the city name in it and the actual service or product that you're selling with your company. If you rank for these keywords, you're going to get the best traffic that you can get online. Now, I've got some pretty sophisticated tools here to show me the search traffic that certain keywords get. So I can see that this keyword gets 1,600 searches per month according to Keywords Anywhere. Now, what most agencies won't tell you is that within this 1,600 keywords, about 20% of the traffic will actually click on the AdWords. A small handful of people will click on the maps, but past that, 80% of the traffic will actually go to the top 3 websites that are ranking organically here. Now, I want to break that down to more for you. What I've got here is another tool called Ahrefs, and I've put that keyword into the Keyword Explorer, and it gives us a breakdown of that keyword and all the phrases behind it that you can rank for. Now, there's a discrepancy in the search volume. Ahrefs is a more accurate tool when it comes to identifying the search volume behind the keywords, and Ahrefs tells us car wrap Sydney gets 800 searches per month. Ahrefs also tells us all the phrases behind that keyword. So you can see car wrap Sydney cost gets 200 searches per month. Cost to wrap car Sydney, which is another keyword, very similar to the top one, gets 200 searches per month. Now, the goal is when ranking for keywords is to rank for the main keyword and then all the phrases behind it. And what you also want to do is avoid trying to rank for keywords that might have the same phrase, but don't get any searches per month. So you can see that there are a bunch of phrases down the bottom here that also have Sydney and car wrap, but they get 0 to 10 searches per month. So realistically, if you want to be getting you ranked for keywords that first of all get the most search volume, but also fit into that phrase of the product or service that you're selling with the city that you're living in, anywhere between 30 to the maximum amount of searches per month they get. And that's how we work on your campaign. So what I've got here is a small graph to show you exactly, just so you can visualize how important it is to rank for those keywords in the top position. So as you can see here, the top 1 position for any given keyword gets 34% of all the traffic. Position 2 gets 18% of all the traffic. And position 3 gets 12% of all the traffic for any given keyword. And past that really goes down to about 5%. Past the 3rd position there. So you can see how important it is to rank for the top 3 keywords. Now, if I go up here, you can see here, this is exactly how we structure our keywords and the keywords that we go after. So you can see within this example, we got Plumbers Brisbane, 2,000 searches per month. Underneath that, we'd be going for another phrase, which is a similar phrase, which is 150 searches per month. So Plumbers in Brisbane or Brisbane Plumbers, 150 searches per month. And as you can see, we go down, the search volumes go down, down, and down until we get to about 30 people per month. So it's really important to be ranking for keywords that have buyer intent. So the people that are going to actually come to your website and make an inquiry that get search volume, because the last thing we want to do is be ranking for keywords that don't have buyer intent, or even worse, get 0 searches per month. Those 2 things combined, sitting in positions 1, 2, and 3, is basically how we get you the highest converting traffic to your website. Now, what I want to show you now is a report from a client of ours that is in a city, and they also are ranking for car wrap. And then you can see we have blurred out the keywords, the keyword of the city that they're in. So you can see that they're sitting in positions 1, 2, and 3 for incredibly good keywords, buyer direct keywords. They're in the city that they're in, and they can get all the traffic here. Now, if I go to the Google Analytics, you can see here, I've got it diversified by organic traffic. And you can see in total, that's bringing in 2,000 searches, 2,000 people every month. You can see here, I've got it done by the last 30 days. And they're getting 2,000 people every month to their website from these keywords. Now, what I want to do here is pull up their goals, and you can see that they're getting around, so 30 plus 30 plus 30, that's around 90 and another 5 here. So it's close to 100 goal completions every month. Now, obviously, we want to take out spam and bots. So if you take about 10 to 20% out, you're looking around 80 goal conversions every month. There you can see the importance of ranking for the right keywords with the search volume you want and sitting in positions 1, 2, and 3. So that's our strategy there. It's a quick breakdown. If that makes sense to you, what you want to do is head below and watch the next video, which actually gives you a very in-depth, detailed breakdown of exactly how we get these results for you for these keywords, getting you in positions 1, 2, and 3.